Are your ears ringing? Introducing Whist for iOS and Android phones and tablets. Whist is a mobile app for people with tinnitus, or ringing in the ears. With Whist, you create custom sounds that mask or reduce your tinnitus, allowing you to sleep, concentrate, or just get on with your day. Created by auditory researchers and using proven sound therapies, Whist lets you design personalized sounds that can help to relieve your symptoms. Once you've created your therapy sounds, you can save them for easy access and play them in the background while using other apps on your mobile device. Because Whist works with mobile phones and tablets using your favorite earphones, it provides relief from your symptoms wherever you go. Audiologists commonly recommend sound therapies for people with tinnitus. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, Whist incorporates technologies found in sound therapy products costing thousands of dollars without any monthly subscription costs or the need for an internet connection. Get Whist today on the App Store and Google Play.